A very good morning to you all. This is Dr. Mrinalini Singh from Law Faculty, Lucknow University. Today I am going to discuss about the topic of UP Zamindari Abolition and Land Reform Act. How this act came, what was the provision, what was the condition, why this act came in the land law. So when we talk about the land law, the first thing which we should analyze or we should, you can say, know about that it is not just the land law which has approached at a sudden. There were the procedures, there were the things which were prevailing, and you can say that during Britishers, the zamindari system was prevalent. Because when we are talking about the UP Zamindari Abolition and Land Reform Act, that is your 1950, you can make out that how the zamindari system in India came up. You can say it was the outcome of the British rule, because the Britishers ruled ourselves, right? When we talk about Lord Canning, when you see your history, right? Your Lord Canning was in fact, he created with the mind that he created the concept, you can say it was the land law. And when we talk about the Britishers conquerors, these Britishers created the zamindari system. Why? Because there was a reason for expediency and administrative convenience. And you can say these zamindars were in fact a convenient reactionary social base, right? For establishing the foreign rule over the peasantry and over the people. So, like these Britishers ruled ourselves, they ruled, and not only in context with the land law, I tell you, when we see or the today's system also, if you see your preamble, your fundamental rights, everything is borrowed. And today also we are following that culture. So when we talk about the land law, we must think or we must analyze that this system was prevailing before, you can say, we got freedom. There was zamindari system. You cannot say that there was no zamindari system, and that was the very reason why we wanted this your code to come, because we wanted to overcome with this zamindari system. So they also, like when we talk about the British rule, they created or they established the following rules, right? You can say when they started the zamindari system, there was 2 firstly year that was started from 1st January to 30th June, that was year 593. And when we talk about the second vesting, you can say the firstling year, it was 1st July to 31st December, that is your 593. So at that time also, when this zamindari system was followed, these 2 firstly year was created. So, when we talk about the UP land law, and when we talk about the how this concept or how this act came, so this act came basically with the view that zamindari systems should be abolished, people should get equal rights, people should know that what kind of productivity and what are their drawbacks. They should get rid of the land revenue which they used to pay. Today also they are paying, but yes, they are knowing the thing. And now the bill which is passed, which our Prime Minister, you can say, has passed, which you can say with the concept that our farmers should get the benefit of their land. Nobody, you can say, can harass them. So when we talk about the UP Zamindari Abolition and Land Reform Act, that is 1950, in my coming lectures, I will be dealing with the more specific topic, that what were the evils which prevailed and what promoted this code to come, and how it was benefit for us. Thank you, students.